In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the key differences between Nextcloud and TrueNAS and help you decide which solution might be the best for your needs as we move into 25. Let's start by understanding what these two platforms are. Nextcloud is essentially a self-hosted cloud platform that offers file sharing, syncing, and collaboration capabilities. It's somewhat akin to services like Google Drive or Dropbox, but with a focus on privacy, as it allows you to host your data wherever you choose. On the other hand, TrueNAS is a storage operating system aimed at managing and protecting large amounts of data. Think of it as a personal or even a business NAS server designed to handle your storage needs with precision. Now that we know what they are, let's delve into their main purposes. Nextcloud's primary focus is on file access, sharing, and providing tools for teamwork. It's an excellent choice if your goal is to enhance collaboration within teams, thanks to its intuitive user interface and comprehensive suite of plugins and applications. Conversely, TrueNAS is dedicated to data storage, backups, and reliability. It's centered around providing a robust and stable environment for your data, making it an ideal solution for both home servers and enterprise storage systems. As we evaluate their strengths, Nextcloud excels in easy file sharing and online collaboration. It provides web access, a range of mobile apps, and extensive plugins, making it perfect for small teams or businesses that require seamless collaboration and communication. In comparison, TrueNAS stands out with its rock-solid stability and powerful storage capabilities. It offers great data protection features, such as utilizing ZFS snapshots, which safeguard your data against unforeseen issues. However, like any technology, both have their weaknesses. Nextcloud requires a solid server setup and ongoing maintenance to perform at its best. Additionally, it can experience slowdowns if overwhelmed with too many users or plugins. TrueNAS, while technical and comprehensive, is not inherently focused on collaboration. Its setup can be more technical, and out of the box, it lacks the team collaboration features that Nextcloud offers. The best setup can leverage the strengths of both. By installing Nextcloud within TrueNAS, you combine the stable, powerful storage environment of TrueNAS with the collaborative capabilities of Nextcloud. This integrated approach allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds, offering both strong storage and a robust set of teamwork tools. In conclusion, you should choose Nextcloud if your primary needs revolve around cloud storage, file sharing, and enhanced team collaboration. Opt for TrueNAS if you require a powerful, reliable storage system that ensures the safety and stability of your data. And if you're looking to capitalize on both storage and collaboration, consider using them together for a comprehensive solution. I hope this guide has been helpful in clarifying the distinctions between these two platforms and aids you in making an informed decision.